Hi, it's Donna here with Crafting with Donna. Today I'm going to be building a Hobbycraft foam mosaic snowman. The base is carved with foam circular pads. Let's get the green ones because they look a bit jazzy. So you stick that onto here and then you just carry on going. As you go down the board, make sure they're in the right spots. And you carry on. Place that one in there. Don't know why they're together sort of thing, but they are. So we carry on. It's not an easy job to do because you got to get it in. And another one. Let's see how easy that was. We'll do the black, shall we? So we'll put that onto there. Make sure it's in the circle though. Don't do what I did. And put it over the circle. It's 5 there, and then I'm going to pin it onto its belly now. So that's its belly done. Then we're going to do the white bits, I think. Right, now the body, I think. Done. And then we want to work on the blues. So we have a darker blue. Oops, he got stuck some photo. Right, the last colour. Nearly went flying. And then we just put this in to the hole. Then tighten the knot. Make sure it's sealed, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!